Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the YouTube app running on iOS 12. You may need an older compatible build, so install or update from the App Store and tap Open. Sign in with your Google account so subscriptions, history, and uploads sync. This saves time later. Once done, grant location and microphone access only if you plan to upload or live stream, and confirm you have adequate storage and a strong Wi-Fi connection to avoid interruptions. Now you learn how to find and control content. Use the search bar with filters like upload date and duration to narrow options fast, because iOS 12 devices benefit from precise queries. Tap the three dots on videos or your profile icon to switch accounts, manage subscriptions, and review history. This keeps recommendations relevant. Make sure to adjust playback quality in the player to match your connection, and toggle captions or autoplay to suit. Finish by uploading and sharing. Record or pick a video, then trim and add a clear title, description, and relevant tags so viewers find it. Select privacy, public, unlisted, or private, and use the share sheet to send links via messages or mail. Copying the link works if apps fail. If you run into problems, restart the YouTube app and your device, confirm storage and Wi-Fi, and retry. If uploads still fail, toggle airplane mode briefly to reset the network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.